Hey runners, I'm going to tell you yoga asanas that are going to help you release all the tightness from your leg muscles and are going to help you for your longer runs. So if you're ready, let's begin. Get down on your mat in a tabletop position. From here, slowly we'll convert into downward facing dog. This pose is specifically beneficial for your hamstrings for releasing all the tightness that gets accumulated here due to long runs. You can either walk your dog on the spot or you can try to touch both your heels down onto the ground. Do not forget to breathe, so keep breathing. Hold this posture at least for 10 to 15 seconds. And then slowly you can come back down onto the mat. From here, we'll move on to our next posture, that is twisted lunge. So for that, get onto a plank position, bring your right knee with your right feet to the front and open your right arm up towards the sky. You can touch your back knee onto the ground and keep breathing here. Now we'll switch the legs. Take this leg back and bring the other leg to the front. Open onto the other side. Bring your right knee back onto the ground. You can hold this position at least for 10 to 15 seconds and get back onto your plank pose. Alright guys, slowly come back down onto the ground. You can get into a child's pose if you want. Moving on to our next posture, again bring your right leg to the front with your knee directly above your ankle and take both your hands up towards the sky. Keep breathing here. You can hold this posture for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Keep breathing, do not forget to breathe. You can come back with your right leg back and switch the other leg. So left leg to the front, right knee onto the ground, rising up with inhale and breathing here. Holding this posture again for at least 10 to 15 seconds onto the other side. You can come back onto plank position. Bring your right leg to the front and your back knee onto the ground and push your hips towards the back knee, trying to touch your forehead to your knee. Keep your right foot flexed. This is really beneficial pose for your glutes, hips and hamstrings to release all the tightness from that. Now you can bring your right leg back into the plank position and switch the leg. So left leg to the front, pushing your hips back towards the back knee, trying to touch the forehead with the other knee. Keeping your left foot flexed. Feel the release with exhale, coming back onto plank position. Moving on to high lunge, bring your right leg to the front and rise up with inhale. Keep breathing here, feel that stretch. Coming back down onto the ground into plank pose and switch the legs. So left leg to the front, rise up with inhale and exhale. Feel that stretch throughout your left thigh and right hamstring. Coming back down onto child's pose. Relax here for as long as you can or as long as you want to. Keep breathing. Let's move on to our next posture. Get into downward dog pose. From here, take your right leg up into three-legged dog and bring it to the front, converting into pigeon pose. So this is little tricky here. You might not be able to reach here today, but that is totally okay. Just keep breathing. This is a great posture to release all the tightness from your hips. If it is possible for you to bring down your head and chest onto the ground, then please go ahead. Otherwise, stay wherever you are. And from here, now we will come back down onto our downward facing dog. Switch onto the legs. So left leg up into the sky and bring it to the front, bending your knee. Right leg straight, look up, keep breathing. And if possible, bring your chest down onto the ground, touching your forehead and keep breathing as long as possible and rise back up. From here, we'll transition into three-legged and then again back onto downward facing dog. These postures are really great for all the runners, so you keep doing this, especially after your long runs, because it helps in releasing all the tightness that happens to your lower body muscles. Also, if you are not able to do all these poses today, that is totally fine. Just keep trying. Slowly and gradually you will be able to reach wherever you want to. So just keep following.